Chemistry Dude welcomes you for the ISC Chemistry Preparation for 2025 year. The paper is on Monday, everybody is aware. So we will be discussing the organic part. Now, the organic part, if we discuss with the name reactions, then we go with the aldol condensation first. So let me share the board with you all. Now, in this wide board, I have picked up aldol condensation reaction. Here it goes. So now the two important conditions of this aldol condensation are the first one, the aldehydes which contain alpha hydrogen. Now, what is this alpha hydrogen? The alpha hydrogen is the one which is present in the alkyl group, which is directly attached to the functional group. I will be bilingual because I know my some students will be more comfortable if we do the explanation bilingual. तो वही एल्डिहाइड्स या एल्डोल कंडेंसेशन शो करेंगे जिनमें कि अल्फा हाइड्रोजन प्रेजेंट होता है जो कि हमारा एसिटाल्डिहाइड है या हायर एल्डिहाइड है फॉर एग्जांपल इथेनॉल propanol, butanol, pentanol, and so on. And second important condition is name reaction की है dilute NaOH. So when we take two molecules of acetaldehyde and this reaction takes place in presence of dilute NaOH, our condensed product is beta hydroxybutyl aldehyde. इसको हम एल्डोल इसलिए कहते हैं क्योंकि अगर हम इसका स्ट्रक्चर देखें तो वी हैव गॉट OH ग्रुप आल्सो एंड वी हैव गॉट CHO ग्रुप आल्सो बट द IUPAC नेम इज बीटा हाइड्रोक्सी ब्यूट्रिल एल्डिहाइड. IUPACs are very important which you need to write. Last step is optional. It depends upon the demand of the question. This is a condensed product. On heating, the water molecule will be eliminated and you will be getting the final product as but 2-ene 1-al. So, I hope this aldol condensation is clear to you. Stay tuned with Chemistry Tute because I will be bringing more videos like this for you before your examination commences. Thank you and all the best.